Welcome to our detailed guide on how to allow friends to see your collection on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Select Saved from the menu options to view your saved collections. Open the specific collection you want your friends to see. Tap on the three dots next to Add More to reveal additional options. Select Privacy Settings from the menu to customize who can view your collection. Lastly, tap on Friends to allow your friends to view and interact with your collection on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily share your collections with friends, enhancing your social connections and interactions on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in customizing your privacy settings and sharing your collections with friends on Facebook. Strengthen your social network by following these simple instructions.